Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well and having a wonderful day. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress in your local system. In my case I'm using a Windows 11, so I'm using it on Windows 11. You can install it on Windows 10 too. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install and run WordPress website on your local machine. So let's get started. First of all, you can go to google.com or any other search engine and then download Xampp, and you can download any version of the Xampp. You can download the latest one that's good for WordPress, so download that. I already download the Xampp, and after that you need to download the WordPress theme. So you can go to wordpress.org, and then from here you can just click get WordPress, and it will start downloading your WordPress theme. Okay, so I already download the Xampp and also download the WordPress 6.9.1 version. Now you need to install the Xampp server on your Windows machine. You can install it in a different folder, but I am going with C drive, but you can install it on your other hard drive, because when you restart your computer or when you try to get a new Windows, all the data will be deleted. So if you want to save your website in a specific location, you can install the Xampp in a specific directory. I go with C drive. Okay, while the Xampp is installing, we can extract our um, WordPress theme. So the theme is installed. Sorry, this. Okay, so the theme is extracted, and we actually need this folder. So we can just cut the folder and paste it here and delete this one. Now we need to wait for our Xampp to be installed. Okay, now you need to allow this. Uh, okay, now you need to allow HTTP server, Apache HTTP server. So just click on allow and finish. It will run the Xampp control panel, and that's it for this Xampp. We successfully installed the Xampp server. Now we need to, you can confirm that by first you need to start Apache and MySQL. Okay, both of the module are started. Okay, you need to allow all of those because we need to like make sure all of the connection is accessible. Now you can go to localhost, and if you see something like this, congratulations, you successfully install the Xampp server successfully. Now we need to set up the WordPress site for us. For that, we already extract our WordPress file, so now we can just copy that, or you can cut the folder and then go to your Xampp directory. The Xampp directory is located in your C drive, and here you can find the Xampp directory. If you installed somewhere else, you can find in the specific directory. Now we need to go to the htdoc folder and paste our WordPress file. Now if we go to localhost/WordPress, the WordPress installation will start. Now, as you can see, we successfully configure our WordPress theme. Now you can just follow along with me. We select the English language. Also, we need to create a database and give the information to here. So for that, you can go to again localhost/phpMyAdmin, and from here you click on the new icon and you need to specify a name. I go with WordPress. Make sure that you don't use any number or any other characteristics. You can use a dash symbol, but I go with WordPress and now create. It will create our database. Remember, we named it as WordPress, so now we can go and type here WordPress. When you install your database in a local phpMyAdmin server, the username is root and the password is blank. You don't need to enter anything, and you can submit. It will configure the database, and you can run the installation, and it will install our WordPress theme. Now you need to enter a site title. I can go with demo, and you need to specify a username. You can type here admin, and also the password is, you can put a strong password, but I go with admin. And if you see here weak password, you need to check this button, and here you need to enter an email. You can type whatever you want. Okay, and this is not specifically need if you install this in local machine, but if you install this and host it in a server, then you need to uncheck it, because it will not indexing the search index in Google or other search engines. So if you need your website to be SEO friendly, then you need to uncheck this, and you can install WordPress now. And that's it. You successfully install your WordPress. You can now click here and go to login, or you can just go to localhost/WordPress, and it will show you a demo website, and it is your website. Also, you can log into a panel by admin password, WordPress panel. We already set up this password, so we can go with login and admin, and password is also admin, and we will redirect to the WordPress admin dashboard, and from here you can install any theme. Okay, I have some theme, so I can just active this theme, so that I can show you that this is the main dashboard, and if you change something here, it will reflect here. So now if I refresh the site, the content is changed and this is the new site. So yeah, this is how you install WordPress website in your local machine. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.